Welcome to the Leaders Insights podcast. Today's episode, connecting AI tools to your existing business stack with connectors. Here's a number that should embarrass most of us. Professionals waste hours a week copying text out of ChatGPT and pasting it into email, spreadsheets, project boards. Why is that still happening in 2026?
Because the demo economy trained us badly. The vendors sell you a chat window, you type, it answers, everyone claps, but a chat window isn't connected to anything. So you become the connector, the meat and fingers integration between the AI and your actual work.
The article calls that turning AI into a toy. Harsh. Fair?
Completely fair. If the output has to be manually retyped to matter, it's a party trick. The fix is connectors, small bridges that let the AI read from and write to the software you already run, like Slack, Google Drive, HubSpot, your ticketing system.
Define connector properly, because people hear that word and glaze over.
A connector is a permissioned pipe. It gives the model access to one specific system, say your customer records, so it can pull the real data and push results back without you touching the clipboard. OpenAI shipped this as connectors inside ChatGPT. Anthropic pushed the standard underneath it, called MCP, Model Context Protocol, basically a universal plug so any tool can talk to any model.
Anthropic released MCP, and now OpenAI and Google both adopted it. When a competitor's standard gets adopted by everyone, I get suspicious. Who wins?
You do, actually, for once. Before MCP, every integration was custom plumbing. You built a bespoke bridge for each app, each model, and it broke on every update. One shared protocol means a connector built once works across ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. Anthropic gave away the standard because owning the standard beats owning one product.
Fine, but walk me through it for someone who runs a normal business, not a data team.
Start narrow. Pick one workflow that bleeds time. Say your sales team writes follow-up emails after every call. Step 1. Connect the AI to your CRM or the customer database, HubSpot, or Salesforce, so it can see who the call was with and what was discussed.
And that's the scary part, right? You're handing your customer list to a chatbot.
That's the part you should be scared of, and most people aren't scared enough. Connectors run on scopes. Permissions that say, read these contacts, don't touch billing. Set them tight, read only where you can, and check whether the vendor trains on your connected data. OpenAI and Anthropic both say enterprise data stays out of training, but that's their claim, so get it in the contract, not the blog post.
Okay, CRM connected, then what?
Then connect the destination. The email draft shouldn't appear in the chat. It should land in Gmail as a draft, ready to send, so you add a second connector to your mail. Now the loop is closed. The AI reads the call notes, writes the follow-up, drops it where the rep already works. Nobody copies anything.
How much time does that actually save? Give me a real figure, not a vendor fantasy.
Honest answer. The loud numbers come from the vendors, so discount them. Anthropic and Google both quote big productivity gains that are basically marketing. From teams I've watched, a tight connector on a repetitive task saves maybe 20 to 40 minutes a day per person. Unsexy, but it compounds. And it's real because the human stopped being the copy-paste robot.
What's the trap people fall into once they get connectors working?
They overconnect. They wire the AI to 14 systems and give it write access everywhere, then act shocked when it edits the wrong record. Connect one system, read only, prove it, then expand. Treat every write permission like handing an intern your bank login.
Last thing, if someone listening does exactly one thing this week, what is it?
Open ChatGPT or Claude, go to Connectors and Settings, Watching Children, and link one read-only source, Allied, your Google Drive, or your calendar. Then ask it a question only that data can answer. The moment it responds with your real information, instead of a generic guess, you'll understand why the clipboard days are over.
Read only, one source, real question. That's the homework. That's a wrap. Fresh AI briefings drop daily at mba-training.com.